Okay, this is Mr. Croplin, and I'm going to show you how to build a fidget spinner. First, say hello to all the students who are building fidget spinners. All right, first, let's get started by opening Fusion 360. Make sure that you've created an account for Fusion 360. If you have not, you can pause this and do this now. Okay, the first step in building fidget spinner is just creating those circles. So hopefully you've measured your bearing already. If not, we've determined that the bearing size is 0.88. So we're going to first create a hole using the circle command. I just press letter C with a quick key. Is 0.88. Now that's 0.88 inches. Millimeters will be something different. So if you need to change your units, go over here, click on this, change units to inches. Click OK. All right, mine are already in inches. Select C again on my keyboard for circle command. And the next one I'm going to make is 1.25 inches. Hit return twice. I don't know why it has you do that, but you have to hit enter or return twice. Now I need to make another circle. Letter C. I'm going to make it right about here. And again, 0.88 or 0.85 if you're going to use nickels instead of bearings for the outer weights. We'll say we're going to use more bearings, so 0.88 and C again, and 1.25 for that outer. Now I'm going to add a line. I'm just going to go to my sketch command. There's line, or I can click on L for line. I'm going to go across here and across here. Hit enter. Now I'm going to clean this up by using the trim command. That's under sketch as well, trim, or just click the letter T. Now I'm going to get rid of this and this. Hit return. Don't forget stop sketch. Now I'm ready to extrude or turn this into a 3D body or a 3D shape. I'm going to right click. There's the extrude command. We're going to extrude this out to 0.25 inches. Now, this is a cool command called pattern. If I go up to create and circular pattern, I'm going to make sure I'm selecting not faces but bodies, because I want to select this entire 3D body, not just a face. So I'm selecting it now. It says one selected. Now the axis. I'm going to select, and I'm going to click this here, and now it repeats this pattern, in this case 3 times, or I could go 4 or 5 or 6. Let's just do 3, and hit enter. And there is my basic fidget spinner. Now I can do other things to it, like round over the edges by selecting the edge. I could select multiple edges by holding down the shift key and selecting those edges. I'm going to right click. I'm going to do a fillet or a chamfer to 8.125. Hit enter, and you can see now how it rounded it over. Again, I can move around in 3D space by holding the shift key, and on a PC, holding down the roller ball on the mouse, or on my Mac, and I'm holding 2 fingers on the touchpad to move it around. Now if I want to go back in and change that sketch, this is really important. Down here is the story of my part. Here's where I started with the sketch. I extruded that piece out, here's where I patterned it, and then I added the fillet. So I can go in here and I could change anything. If I wanted to change this pattern, I just double click on it. There's the quantity again. I wanted to do 4. I could do that. Let's go back to 3. Just hit enter. I could change the original extrusion of the one part. Double click on it. Instead of 1/4 inch, I'd go 0.5 inches. And you can see how it will update all of them. I'm going to hit undo to go back because I want a 1/4 inch. But in this case, I want to go back to my original sketch. I'm going to right click, edit sketch. You see how it opens it? And now I want to add just some interesting, I don't know, stuff in here to make it kind of cool. Now, I'm going to put a line right across here, and I'm going to use a command called the mirror command. In my sketch, mirror. Objects to select, I want that one and that one. So I have 2 objects selected. And now the mirror line would be this center line that I created. Click OK, and now instead of having to redraw all of these lines down here, it mirrored it. Again, the mirror command is under sketch, mirror. Make sure that you create a center line. Now using the T or the trim command, I'm going to delete some of this stuff in here. I'm going to delete this, that, that, and that, and that, and that. I could have deleted all this stuff right away. But I could have deleted all this stuff and then mirrored it afterwards. That would have saved me some of the deleting. So delete, 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 delete. Just, again, the T for trim. Also, I wanted to show you how to delete something. So if you want to delete like a line or a circle, just select it and then hit the delete key. Stop sketch. Everything should update. There it is. That's kind of cool. Everything that I did to the one, it duplicated across here with that circular pattern. So there you have it, how to make your basic spinner. This will give you enough information to create your own spinner style. All right, see you later. Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later. Excellent, thank you. I like you too. All right, and stop. Okay, great. I didn't even hit the record button. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, stop recording.